Lamborghini just unveiled the Temerario at the prestigious Pebble Beach during Monterey Car Week. But the first question that comes to mind is, will the Temerario, set to succeed the Huracan, be able to fill the Huracan's sizable shoes and live up to Lamborghini's esteemed legacy? So, what exactly happens to the Lamborghini Temerario? Stay tuned for the Temerario price and surprising conclusion at the end of this video. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get updates on our upcoming videos. It is free. To answer this million-dollar question, join us as we take a closer look at the evolution of Lamborghini's supercar models, tracing their development and key milestones over the years. Ferruccio Lamborghini, who started from humble beginnings, achieved success with his tractor business, which eventually enabled him to purchase his first Ferrari sports car. The well-known feud between Lamborghini and Ferrari began when Ferruccio Lamborghini suggested changes to Ferrari's cars, only to be rebuffed. In a nutshell, that is the essence of why Automobili Lamborghini was founded. Lamborghini designed and built the 350 GTV in just 4 months, unveiling it at the 1963 Turin Motor Show in October. The 350 GT introduced a more refined design, building on the prototype 350 GTV conceived by Franco Scaglione. It was the first Lamborghini model to be officially mass-produced. The 350 GT was an instant success, with Carrozzeria Touring producing 120 units, most of which featured a 3.5-liter V12 engine delivering 320 horsepower. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It's free. This first Lamborghini model received positive press reviews, leading to the sale of 120 redesigned 350 GT cars within 2 years. The bodywork featured aluminum inserts, independent suspension, and 4-disc brakes, with select units also equipped with a limited slip differential. This vehicle captured attention with its remarkable combination of outstanding performance and a luxurious interior, adorned with leather and chrome finishes. Beyond its beauty and power, the 350 GT also made a significant impact on pop culture, making an appearance on the big screen in the 1967 film Kill Me Quick, I'm Cold. This exposure helped cement its status as an icon of automotive elegance and sophistication. Additionally, Carrozzeria Touring produced the 350 GTS Spider versions. Today, the 350 GT with the second chassis number, the oldest existing production Lamborghini, has been lovingly restored by Polo Storico Lamborghini and is back on the streets of Geneva, the city where it first debuted. The 400 GT followed soon after, essentially an upgraded 350 GT with a larger engine. The larger body shape of the 400 GT allowed for the addition of +2 seating in the rear, unlike the 350 GT, which only had space for luggage or, on rare occasions, a +1 seating option. Production ended after 225 units, with the final 70 models released in 1969, showcasing a few changes to the body and luxurious interiors in the Acelero S version. The Muro was a game-changer as a pioneering model. It combined the pedigree of a racing car with the practicality for road use, designed to excel on the track while being enjoyable for enthusiasts on the road. Its transversely mounted mid-engine layout wowed many when it was unveiled at the Turin Salon in 1965. The Mura is one of the few cars that have transformed the automotive world. With its mid-mounted V12 engine and striking design, this two-seater from the iconic manufacturer redefined the concept of a sports car. At its debut, the Mura was the fastest production car in the world, boasting a top speed of 175 miles per hour or 280 kilometers per hour and accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in just 6.7 seconds, setting new records in the sports car segment. The car introduced a transversely mounted mid-engine layout, a significant departure from Lamborghini's earlier designs. This innovative arrangement was complemented by a V12 engine that was uniquely integrated with the transmission and differential, reflecting the tight packaging constraints of the design. The brand new four-seater Espada was introduced in 1969, representing Lamborghini's foray into a more practical and spacious sports car design. It was powered by a 3.9-liter front-mounted V12 engine, delivering a robust 330 horsepower. This combination of performance and practicality appealed to a broad range of buyers, leading to significant commercial success. Over its 10-year production run, the Espada became a popular model, with a total of 1,217 units sold. Its blend of luxury, power, and usability helped solidify Lamborghini's reputation for innovative and desirable vehicles. The Espada 400 GT epitomized Ferruccio Lamborghini's vision of creating the ultimate GT car. A vehicle that combines speed with exceptional comfort and luxurious features. Designed to offer both performance and refinement, the Espada was engineered to deliver a thrilling driving experience without compromising on comfort. Its cabin was thoughtfully crafted to comfortably accommodate 4 adults. Another game-changer for Lamborghini was the Countach, which entered production in 1974 as the LP400, followed by the LP500S version introduced in 1982. The iconic silhouette of the Countach has become the defining shape for all subsequent Lamborghini models. The LP400 was equipped with a 4-liter V12 engine mounted lengthwise, known as longitudinal posterior, hence the LP designation. This engine produced a robust 375 horsepower, reflecting Lamborghini's commitment to high performance. The LP400 achieved a maximum speed of 193 miles per hour or 309 kilometers per hour, a remarkable feat for its time, and could accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour or 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.4 seconds. These impressive performance metrics underscored that the LP400 was not only a visually stunning car but also delivered the top-tier performance that Lamborghini was renowned for. The combination of striking design and exceptional speed ensured that the LP400 upheld Lamborghini's legacy of engineering excellence and innovation. Lamborghini's scissor doors have become a hallmark of its iconic V12 super sports cars. The tradition began with the revolutionary Countach, which was the first production car to feature these doors. Designed by Marcello Gandini, the upward-opening doors not only set a new design standard but also addressed the car's poor rear visibility, making parking in tight spaces easier. This distinctive feature continued with subsequent V12 models. The Aventador family further evolved the tradition with its aeronautics-inspired design, cutting-edge V12 technology, and extensive use of carbon fiber. Unveiled in 1990 at the Hotel de Paris in Monte Carlo, the Diablo continued the iconic silhouette of the Countach and introduced a new era of Lamborghini performance. With its high-performance Super Veloce model and a reputation as the fastest production car in the world at the time, the Diablo set a new benchmark for speed, albeit with a hefty price tag. As the worthy successor to the legendary Miura and Countach, the Diablo was both wide and low, boasting a futuristic design that quickly captured the imagination of car enthusiasts worldwide. Lamborghini's engineers exceeded expectations, achieving a top speed of 203 miles per hour or 325 kilometers per hour and accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour or 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds, firmly establishing the Diablo at the forefront of the super sports car segment. Produced from 1990 to 2001, the Diablo saw several variations that enhanced its legendary status and proved highly successful in the market, with nearly 3,000 units sold globally. In 1997, development began on the Baby Lambo, marking the rebirth of Lamborghini with the Murcielago. An updated version, the LP640, was introduced in 2005, featuring a more powerful 640 horsepower engine. Lamborghini showcases its expertise with the Murcielago LP670-4 Super Veloce, featuring advanced carbon fiber construction and a 6.5-liter V12 engine that's 30 horsepower more powerful. Weighing 100 kilograms less, it accelerates to 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.2 seconds and hits a top speed of 214 miles per hour or 342 kilometers per hour. The original baby Lambo was the Gallardo, which came with a V10 engine. I had the thrill of driving it at top speeds on the Las Vegas Speedway.
Kevin? Oh, you're good. I'll take it. There he goes.
The Aventador replaced the Murcielago, debuting in 2011 with a brand new 700 horsepower V12 engine and a striking angular design. Several Aventador variants were produced, including the Roadster with 2 removable roof sections and the track-focused Aventador SV, Super Veloce. The ultimate iteration of the Aventador SVJ, Super Veloce Hoda, further pushed the boundaries of performance. The Aventador's transmission delivers exhilarating fast gear shifts, while its pushrod suspension system ensures driving precision that rivals that of racing cars. The car features a revolutionary single-shell carbon fiber monocoque that integrates the cockpit, floor, and roof into a single, cohesive structure. At the heart of the Aventador is a new high-performance V12 engine, producing 700 horsepower at 8,250 RPM, setting a new standard that transcends traditional performance benchmarks. When the Roadster version was unveiled in 2012, it redefined the realm of open-top vehicles, showcasing an exclusive technological package that highlighted its innovative design and engineering prowess. My Huracan Evo Spider is an astounding supercar. Introduced in 2014, the Huracan replaced the Gallardo. It featured impressive performance metrics, accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour or 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds, a dual-clutch transmission, and a top speed of 202 miles per hour or 325 km per hour. Its glimmering viola-bast color and dual-tone interior, combined with carbon fiber sports seats, perfectly complement the V10 naturally aspirated engine, which produces a thrilling sound, music to my ears. Your senses are fully attuned to the raw power of this raging bull. Let's fire up the engine and hear that roar again. With its engine power increased to 640 horsepower and the addition of the Spider model, the beloved Huracan became a highly successful Lamborghini, leading to a range of impressive variants. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a hybrid high-performance super sports car that epitomizes Lamborghini's revolutionary approach to design and engineering. As a flagship model, the Revuelto represents a major leap forward for the brand, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance and striking design while continues the tradition of the Raging Bull. Lamborghini Revuelto showcases the brand's signature scissor doors, a hallmark of Lamborghini's design legacy. These vertical scissor doors not only accentuate the car's dramatic, cutting-edge look but also improve functionality in tight parking spaces, providing easier access to the cockpit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Lamborghini Revuelto's steering wheel is designed to enhance both driving performance and user experience with a range of advanced functions. Start button in the Lamborghini Revuelto is a prominent switch located on the center console within protective cover. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. The Revuelto features rear-wheel steering and torque vectoring systems, enhancing stability in corners and making it easier to hit apexes on the racetrack. The scissor doors, with their distinctive upward opening mechanism, underscore the Revuelto's status as a high-performance supercar, seamlessly blending style with innovative engineering. I love that Lamborghini designed the engine and its mounts to deliver a thrilling sound and engaging vibrations at high RPM. The Temerario's engine sounds fantastic. Take a listen. The base price of the Temerario is $357,000, approximately $100,000 more than the base Huracan. Is it worth the extra cost? Given its cutting-edge design and significant performance boost with 920 horsepower from its hybrid powertrain, the answer is a resounding yes. Against comparable but slightly less impressive supercars, the Temerario pricing is exceptionally competitive. In conclusion, the future of the Temerario looks exceptionally bright, filled with technological marvels and achievements. The heritage of Lamborghini continues to shine through the Temerario, marking the completion of Lamborghini's transition to hybrid powertrains. I can't wait to take delivery of my Temerario Spider in the near future. As a side note, I was invited by Lamborghini for an exclusive VIP visit to their factory and museum in Santa Agata, Italy. Stay tuned and subscribe for an exciting behind-the-scenes video of this special VIP visit.